Taking this thing to the airport. No more YouTube videos. I quit. Goodbye, Josh's house.
Dude, I forgot my steering wheel. It's so dumb of me.
We're on the freeway. He has no steering wheel.
Hey guys,
Wait, what?
Koda's
driving.
Backseat driver. Hey, it's funny because people look in my car and there's no steering wheel, so they're just like, what? Alright, we're back.
So, I'm leaving.
Jordan's leaving. He quit YouTube.
Josh is dropping me off to the airport right now.
San Diego bound. Jordan's gonna take a flight. You're going to Chicago. And then he's going to Boston, so
yeah.
Sorry guys, no more footage.
Josh is gonna be filming this because I have this camera, so
You're gonna see a lot of selfie cams. But Koda's here, so maybe Koda can
substitute.
Are you gonna hire me?
Yeah, dude, you're hired. 37 cents a day.
Yeah, that's about half of what you earn per video, right, Josh?
Yeah, we'll split profit, dude. So I apologize in advance for the selfie cams.
Eating JDM food in JDM car with a JDM friend.
Well, dining's not open, so dining in the GTR. Cool with that.
Sayonara, suckers.
Dude, you're really leaving us right now?
Yeah, man. Just send me the footage and I'll edit them.
We got the double filmage going on right now.
Bye, guys. I quit.
See you later, bro.
You're reading that?
Like
Yeah,
it.
I'm gonna
like
film.
Jordan.
The only reason I'm coming is to film.
Peace out, bro. Alright, have fun, man.
Bye, guys.
Jordan's on an airplane right now.
Are you gonna check that in?
Yeah.
Just carry it.
Well, it has like a whole bottle of lotion.
Use it, and then when you get there, just secrete it out of your body.
Remember that episode?
What's up, man? What's up?
I like that guy.
Jordan's on an airplane right now. We're going to VR. Just pulled up. Didn't look busy at all. Just good. All car auto supply. You wanna say hi to the camera?
Oh,
We're gonna put your shop on YouTube.
some cars all
You get-
supply.
You'll get all the business. Food stop. So this is what 2020 is, huh? Just dining in your car.
Exactly.
Ginza bowl. I parked in the front. But just roll around the front, yeah. We back. Those aren't them, those aren't them, no, those aren't. These are them.
These are the typical spike that you wanted.
Dang. Look good, man.
Yep, size up.
So Jordan, here's your footage. Use this.
Have a good weekend.
Yeah.
Boom, boom.
All right.
Now where?
Where to? Freaking home. Gonna come back tomorrow. Watching my cousin get married right now on Zoom. Jordan's over there. See see what he's doing. I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss one another.
Uncle Jordan?
Babu?
What are you doing here?
I'm gonna stay here for 2 weeks.
No wonder we got a package with your name on it.
Really? Ooh. Nice. Yeah guys, so we got this new laptop so I can edit while I'm gone for like 3 weeks. But yeah, I have no more footage, so I'm gonna end this vlog at like 6 minutes. I know it's kind of short, but I have no more footage, so.
Jordan, I got you, bro.
Josh?
Over here, dude. Haha. So much footage waiting for you.
Nice.
Got some freshies. Shout out, I have no clue how I got these.
I thought you just bought them.
Dang, these things look so good, Bill. Alright, just got the wheels. Let's throw them on.
Nice. Yes. You're gonna be like this, right, Coda? So you're gonna be like this, right? So when he gives you the USB, it's gonna look like that. Coda, pause for like 3 seconds. So I'm gonna talk. I'm gonna be like, oh, thanks, man. And then whip hard like that, so I can transition it. Just go really fast like that.
Hey Jordan, I got you, bro. Not yet, you gotta
Wait for him to say, I'm over here.
What are you freaking sucking, dude? 256 gigs of footage, dude.
You didn't show my hand.
This is gonna be so
Hey,
hard,
Coda.
bro. Is his hand gonna be there as soon as he pans?
No. You're gonna be like, I got 256 gigs of footage for you to edit. And then he's gonna be like, oh, thanks.
What are you gonna say?
I'm
'Cause
gonna
I wanna be like, nobody got time for that. Alright, we're gonna test.
Okay.
No. Yeah, so what does he do? Does he
So,
put his
Coda,
hand out
just-
once I give him it?
Yeah, just whip it and then you just stick your hand out. Yeah.
But make sure is it just his hand or me in the background too?
You in the background.